हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू एग्ज़ाम प्रेप। आज हम हिस्ट्री की वीडियोस का पार्ट 2 देखेंगे जिसमें हम प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस को करेंगे। सो गाइस, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हु वाज द फादर ऑफ हिस्ट्री? सो द आंसर विल बी हेरोडोटस। Our second question is, what was the first era of prehistoric period called? So the answer is Paleolithic age. Our third question is, which of the following archaeological sites has evidence of pit dwelling? So the answer is Burj Home. Our fourth question is, Burj Home Neolithic site is located in? So the answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Our next question is, Mehergarh, the Neolithic settlement, is located in which province of Pakistan? So the answer is Baluchistan. Our next question is, where is the archaeological site Inam Gao situated? So the answer is Maharashtra. So Inam Gao is situated at Maharashtra. Our next question is, the archaeological site of Kohaldiva is located at? So the answer is UP. Kohaldiva is in UP. Our next question is, the skull of Homo erectus. Homo erectus was found in which of the following prehistoric Indian site? So the answer is Hathnora. Homo erectus was found in Hathnora. Our next question is, the first animal tamed by human was? So the answer is dog. Our next question is, which period is called microlith? So the answer is Mesolith. Our next question is, which period is the longest in the human history? Longest period. So the answer is Paleolithic age. Our next question is, the first metal discovered by human was? So the answer is copper. Copper was the first metal discovered by human. So guys, thanks for watching and please subscribe the channel.